Shalom. Welcome back. First and foremost, I want to give all glory, praises, and honors to Yahweh, Bahashem Yahweh Shai. I want to give double honor to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone, and salutations to you, Akim, pushing this word in sincerity and in truth. Back with another lesson. This is going to be a quick lesson. And the name of this lesson is going to be just get prepared to be under the microscope. Right? Get prepared to be under the microscope. And this goes primarily to the brothers on the highways and byways teaching this word, man. They got their face out there. They're in full view of the public. They're not hiding, right? Week in, week out, they go out and they teach this word. And this is mainly who this video is for, all right? The brother that's laboring in the doctrine. Because I've seen another video from Vocab, right? And I'll leave the background picture or whatever. Basically, the name of the video is saying, trying to leave a cult like IUIC, you need assistance. So the microscope is just going to increase. The magnifying glass is going to increase. And more people are going to be watching what the Israelites do in these last days. All right. You got a number of Jakes, whether it's TikTok, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, whatever, who got whole pages dedicated to debunking the truth. But it's all good. It's all through the spirit, because it's leading up to where the public mainstream will have to address us. So get your mind prepared for that, man. Be more and more false attacks, more and more pushback. But that is what must come according to the scriptures, man. Right? So the scripture I'm going to go to was Matthew, the 10th chapter. I'm going to start the 17th verse and read down. It says, "But beware of men, for they will deliver you up to the councils, and they will scourge you in their synagogues. Right? And ye shall be brought before governors and kings for my sake, for a testimony against them and the Gentiles." Now, this happened in the ancient world, as we know, but it's also going to happen in this time, man. All right, there's going to be so much chaos going on. There's going to be so much spiritual things happening that us, all right, that push this word, that push this truth, if the Lord endows us with that spirit, all right, that spirit of having that spiritual power, so like that's going to be seen everywhere, man. And if you are associated with the Israelites, if you were clicking on Israelite videos, if you're watching Israelite videos, if you proclaim to be an Israelite, and you will have a target on your back, and people are going to be looking for you, because the Israelites are going to be infamous in these last days. It says, "But when they deliver you up, take no thought how or what ye shall speak, for it shall be given you at the same hour what ye shall speak. For it is not ye that speak, but the Spirit of your Father which speaketh in you. And the brother shall deliver up the brother to death, and the father the child, and the children shall rise up against their parents, and cause them to be put to death. And ye shall be hated of all men for my name's sake. But he that endureth to the end, he that endureth to the end shall be saved." Right? So this is going to play out, man. All right. Some brothers are actually going to be martyrs for this truth. All right, if they was part of this select number, guess what? They're going to come right back with the Lord. So I just wanted to touch on this point because it's been in my head since seeing a lot more people just speaking about the Israelites in general, basically putting us out there more and more, that the time is coming that really you're going to see a mainstream hit. Because I was dealing with AI. I was dealing with Twitter. Now it's X. They got a function on there called Grok, which is AI. It's like ChatGPT. It's like Gemini. You can ask questions and it'll reply to you. I'm asking about Israelites. What are they? Just being simple. What is the doctrine? What do they believe? And AI, which has all the information, is mentioning the different groups, mentioning the leaders. It mentioned the apostle, the elder Tahar. It was going into different history of it. So they've been studying us for a long time. And miracles, tribulation, all these things are going to play out in these last days. So just get your mind right, man. Okay? Get your mind right and get ready to be underneath that microscope. All right? But that's the point. When to give all glory, praises, and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushai. Shalom the next time.